These matte transitions will work with almost every version of Premiere Pro. Let me show you how to use these transitions. Open Premiere Pro. Let's import video clips. Create new sequence. I am taking Full HD preset. Place videos to the timeline. These are 4K video clips. Let's scale it down. Now I am importing transitions. Select any transition and place it on the timeline. Place the second clip like that. Cut clip where transition ends. Go to the Effects panel. Search for Track Matte key. Apply it to the Video 2 clip. Go to the Effects control panel. In Track Matte key effect, change Composite using to Matte Luma. Select Matte to Video 3, which is transition layer. That's it. Thanks for watching.